If that dream wasn't from God, bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nawawala sa puso't isipan mo? Alam mo kung bakit? Because God doesn't give random dreams. He gives assignments. Hindi yan aesthetic vision board. Hindi lang sana all moment. Calling yan. Pero ito ang truth na madalas ayaw nating harapin. A calling still requires training. Kaya minsan, hindi mo pa naaabot yung pangarap o yung dream na tinanim sa'yo ng Panginoon, hindi lang dahil hindi mo kaya, but because God is building you first. Faith needs action. Action needs consistency. And consistency, yan yung ginagawa mo kahit walang pumapalakpak, kahit walang nakakakita, kahit walang hype. Kaya tanong ko, are you willing to outgrow your excuses? Are you willing to level up your skills, your discipline, your character? Para pag inopen na ni Lord ang floodgates of heaven, ready ka. Look at Joseph. Before the palace, may pit. Before the promotion, may prison. Pero hindi siya huminto. Kaya nung oras na sinabing, now, ready siya. Trained siya. Prepared siya. So think about it.